Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new work day here and everybody's getting ready to head out of this house. It's Monday. It's Monday, shawty.
Meaning Saturday.
Why is Saturday?
Monday, Saturday, Friday, happy day.
Monday, Saturday, Friday, happy day. He's too funny. Anyway, you guys, everybody's ready and heading out right now. I'm heading to school, babe heading to work, Tyler and Sarah is heading to school, so of course we have to drop them off. Everybody have to be out of this door in 5 minutes to be exact. So I'm just gonna let you guys say a quick hello to everybody before I head out. Who's first? I'm giving the fourth member the opportunity to say good morning first.
Good morning, guys. Of course I'm late this morning.
Why are you late?
Always late.
Always late. Oh, so you're trying to tell me that I'm gonna leave the house with the kids struggling with all the fandangles alone? That's what you're trying to tell me?
Maybe.
And you're gonna meet me at the bus stop? I see that's the routine these days. Alright, I see you.
Maybe.
Alright, Tyler.
Yes, sir.
Look up, say good morning.
Wagwan.
Gonna have a good day?
Yes, sir. Can I show something in my book to fix?
Okay, hurry up.
You see this map?
Stay there, stay there.
This color is the parts of the earth that before we know, and this color before we don't know. That means
Okay.
before we don't know Africa.
America.
Yes. We know Europe.
Okay. Alright. Did you say good morning?
Wagwan.
You're gonna be?
Show me, Tyler.
You're gonna be?
Nice.
What's the G word?
Great.
Voila. Okay, let's go find Minnie. Hello, Sarah. Say wagwan. Ready for school? Look at mama. You're gonna be
Nice.
and be
Cat.
and be
Face.
very good and be
Princess.
very good and have a good yeah. Anyway, you guys, I'm heading out to catch the bus. First I have to drop the kids, so I'll see you guys later. Off to school we go.
Okay.
Oh, you guys have a good day and stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, stay motivated, be great as Tyler say, be patient as Sarah said, be kind to one another. Love you guys and I'll see you guys on the street.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Go, mama coming. Mama soon hold your hand. Go. Go with Tai Tai. You on my hand? Okay. Oh la la. Wait, we soon reach Tai Tai school. Go give Tai Tai a hug and high five. Come on. High five. Bisou. Mwah. You guys, I'm in class. And my friend is beside me. She's so shy. I'm gonna show you guys. Say hello. She speaks English. She's from Philippines, but she hates the camera. So now she'll be a celebrity because she'll be on my YouTube channel for all the world to see her. You guys see her? She's so shy. Say hello, Joanna. Say hello. Mo, say hello. Say hello. They don't speak French, yeah? Say hello. Say hello. Bonjour. You guys are having class and I'm on a little break right now. Everybody's gone outside. Who is not smoking, is doing bathroom break or eating. But anyway, class this morning wasn't too bad because we rewatch the video that I made for class from our outing last week. So that's what we did, and we're on 10-15 minutes break. So yeah, that's what school is like for me. Can you believe 2 weeks and school will finish? Yeah.
So good.
So fast. She says so vit. Vit means fast. She's too funny. Anyway, guys, see you guys later. Hi, you guys. I just stepped in my house, and you guys are the first ones I came to. Look at you, all special. But Your girl is on a time. You know why? I reach home a little bit later than usual today. Normally I would reach home a little bit earlier than this on a Monday, but I had a very important appointment with Babe, so I had to do a little detour. Babe went back to work though. So I just got home. I won't tell you guys yet. I won't share with you guys yet what my appointment was about. You know, I like to do things first, and when it comes through, I give you guys the news. So if it don't come through, I don't have to say and explain myself. So I like to do what I do and then share the life updates with you guys, which I'm always happy to do. Anyway, I'm home and I turn on the stove right away. I have 40 minutes before I go to pick up the kids from school, pick up just Sarah, and then I might have to go back for Tyler because Tyler have sports. Normally Babe would pick up Ty, but if Babe don't get to pick up Ty because he went back to work after appointment, then I am going to have to go for him. So I am trying to get cooking on the way, and I am feeling for curry. So I'm making some curry chicken real quick. I didn't have any seasoned chicken in the fridge, so I'm seasoning and cooking right away. It happens sometimes. So getting cooking on the way so I can go pick up Princess and figure out if I'll have to pick up Ty. So that's what I'm doing right now. Today at school wasn't a bad day, I must say. It was a good day. Learned a lot today. Have a lot of homework to do. Sorry I'm not making eye contact with you guys, but I am riding and whistling right now. Have lots of homework to do, so I'll have a busy evening this evening. But gotta do what you gotta do, shawty. So how was you guys' day? Let me know down below in the comment section. How was your work day? How was your school day? If you're watching this in the evening, and if not and it's the morning, let me know how is your day going so far. Did you wake up and work out this morning? Do you intend on working out? Are you heading to work? Are you already at work? Let me know. Did you drink coffee or tea this morning? I want to know all the details. Let me know in the comment section. Say hello.
Hello.
What are you eating? What are you eating?
Raspberries.
Eating raspberries. You guys know that Sarah is a big raspberry fan. So that's dinner for Sarah. Raspberry, curry chicken.
Go to school.
Yes, you went to school. How was school? You had fun?
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
And sumul and rice. And this is my Sunday Monday with freshness. So I finished the curry chicken. And I have some of the veggies from yesterday, which is creamy broccoli and mushroom and cauliflower. And I'm having a little sumul and rice. So that's dinner for today. So you guys, my husband has been crying that his foot been hurting him for a few days now. So I'm a surprised man give him a foot rub. He have no idea that is happening right now. I don't want him to hear me. So I don't have an official foot scrub, which I intend on getting one probably Christmas or something like that. It's on my wish list, so hopefully I'll get it. So I'm makeshifting one at home. And I got some foot scrub here. have this one, and I have this one, and I have this good old Jamaican foot scrub board, and then I have the lotion to add when I'm finished, and then I have some shower gel, which comes in the set. Can't see it properly, but yeah, those are what I'm gonna use. So I just have hot water in here waiting on him right now.
Okay. Oh. What should I do? Take off my... Look it. Fully? No, you're gonna put video? Okay.
It's hot.
Okay. Can I fall asleep?
You're a hot mess. Can I have the other foot, please? You've been crying for your feet. There you go.
I'm thankful. Thank you.
Hope that helps.
Absolutely. You see here the pain is yesterday or the day before? Yesterday.
Your foot feel brand new?
You feel new. You feel like I can just ride without a skateboard.
You're too funny.